Yes, please start the recording now.
डॉक्यूमेंट मांगे हैं
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the third online workshop being organized by PISTAR, that is the Park Institute of Statistical Training and Research. So the first one was on Tidyverse ggplot2 that happened on the 27th of June this year. The second one was on Tidyverse dplyr, which happened on the 18th of July. And now today we have the third one in the series on tidyr. So the resource persons are myself, Dr. Sharka Hashmi, who is assistant professor at Lahore College for Women University. I am professor at Connect College for Women, if anybody doesn't know. And also we have Ms. Zulaikha Mashkoor, who's lecturer at the Minhaj University, Lahore. The focal person is Dr. Syed Wasim Abbas, who is assistant director at the Bureau of Statistics, Punjab. And the rapporteur is Ms. Kamal Aslam. She has graduated, meaning that she has completed her MPhil in flying colors from Connect College for Women, Lahore. MPhil Statistics, my direct student. All right, the plan for today. After a few words of welcome, I will be requesting each one of you to please introduce yourself very briefly, your name, your organization, your country, and also whether it's your first time here or second or third time. Then I will be requesting Professor Dr. Ali Ahmed, who's the chairperson of the ISOS Executive Committee, to talk to you, after which we will begin the scientific and technical content of the program. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to make something clear. Some people are joining for the second or the third time, but some people are absolutely new. So therefore, we have to cater for all our participants. And therefore, some things will be a slight repetition or revision for the people who were here before. But they are important for the new ones, because if we don't give this brief introduction, then the new people would not know what is happening. And after that, I will be talking about this package called tidyr, under which we have gather and spread, these two commands. And of course, prior to that, I will be defining tidy data. And then after that, Dr. Sharka will be presenting to you one particular data set, which is WHO, because it is the data set of the World Health Organization. And then she will talk about these other two more commands, which are there in the tidyr package, separate and unite. And then after that, Ms. Zulaikha will give you another command, drop underscore NA, by which you would be able to deal with the missing values. So this is actually tidyr. This package is a smaller package. The dplyr that we did last time is a much bigger package. There are many, many more commands in that one. And in the first one, ggplot2 also, there are many commands. Maybe in this also there are more, but the ones that we are going to deal with are these 5. Gather, spread, separate, unite, and drop any. After that, we will start talking about data that has been provided to us by the participants. We have, as you can see in the red color, the data that is provided by Mr. Thomas, who is from Kenya. And Dr. Sharka will, either she will do it or he will himself do it, share the screen for this data, and then introduction of this data, of course, should be by Mr. Thomas himself. And the discussion then, in which participants are welcome to participate. The feedback that I got last time was that because there was, as I say, there was so much content in the dplyr package, so we were kind of rushed toward the end of the workshop, and people did not get time to practice. Now, since it's an online thing, I don't think that it is feasible that, I just be quiet, everybody be quiet, and everybody is practicing in their own home, because you see some people are not even yet able to install it properly. So what I've written in red, to my mind, you can regard this as a kind of practice, meaning that you see, this data is totally new for us. We have not looked at it before. So it's a kind of practice that what happens if it's your own data, then how do you deal with that? Then we also have data provided by Dr. Najla, who was with us in the very first workshop. And she's also, if either she's already provided some data. She's from Saudi Arabia. So then we have the discussion on this one. Again, participants are welcome to, you can put questions. If things are not clear, please ask. But please, ladies and gentlemen, we are wanting to do all these things by 3:35 p.m. so that after that we have a little break, to stand up from our seats and to have a little walk or maybe a cup of tea or something. After that, we have a demonstration of Tidyverse by Dr. Raza. Dr. Raza, who is from Iran, and he and his wife joined the previous workshop. And he has now also sent us some data, and he is going to demonstrate the commands, Tidyverse commands that he used on this data, applied on this particular data. Now, what we have written in front of this time, 4 to 4:10, I want to tell you right now, ladies and gentlemen, that we wrote it here because we are not sure how much time the discussion on, although I've written these timings, but when it's a new discussion which is not practiced, sometimes it may not be that time. So I wrote this because if it were to be only short pieces of time, for this first one by Mr. Thomas, for this second one by Dr. Najla, or the third one by Dr. Raza, then we would have time to present to you these two things that we did in the first workshop. Because you see, last time in the second workshop, the people who came for the first time, they were feeling bad that we have not done these graphs. So what do we do? Now, I have written these here, but I want you to know that if we do not have time for them, then we will cater for this promise of ours that we will teach you this. You know what we can do? The simplest thing that we can do is that we can edit the recording of that first workshop, and we can pull out these two that we have promised to you, and we can send it to you by email. So I'm saying this right away because I have a gut feeling that maybe we don't have these 10 minutes available to us for Ms. Zulekha to demonstrate it live in this workshop. But if we do, then of course she will do it. Now we come to what I regard as the highlight of the day, because I'm honored by the fact that Dr. David Stern, who is from UK and also who is the member of the ISI Task Force on Capacity Building. ISI, of course, stands for the International Statistical Institute, and they have created this task force on capacity building, and he's a member of that, and he is going to talk to us about something that I think for my own self also it will be highly educative. The title of his talk is Ars Grammar, the Tidyverse. Okay, so let's hope for the best as far as that is concerned. Then we do have 10 minutes for verbal feedback. And then we have just like it says 4 minutes, but actually it will be 2 minutes by Ms. Kamal Aslam. She would like to say something to you. I will then ask Dr. Hanif Mia, Professor Hanif, President of ISOS, to say a few words, after which I will thank everybody, inshallah, and we will close this workshop. So now I'm going to stop sharing the screen, and I'm going to request you people to start introducing yourself. So first and foremost, I can ask Dr. Wasim, although people know you, but please do open your camera, unmute your mic, and say something about yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Sayyid Wasim Abbas, and you know I'm the fluent person of ISTAR National Training Program. Currently I'm working in Punjab Rural Services as an assistant director. Aside with, I am also serving ISTAR Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. And now we have, I am just going to go in the order that I see here, other than my own team, for which I can do it in the order which I think is preferable. Dr. Sharka Hashmi, if you would please unmute and also open your camera. Thank you. Yes?
Can you listen me?
Yes, I can hear you. Now I can't hear you. Again, you're muted, Dr. Sharka. Mute.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sharka Hashmi. I am assistant professor at Lahore College for Women University. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. And now I would like to request Ms. Zulekha Mashkoor to please introduce yourself. Can you open your, do you have a problem in opening the camera? Okay, then please go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Salia. This is Zulekha Mashkoor. I am lecturer at Minhaj University, and I am working under the guidance of Dr. Saliha Nagmi to learn more about the Tidyverse in our studio. Thank you so much, Dr. Salia.
I would like to ask Kamal Aslam now to please open her camera for a minute. Kamal, are you there? You know, there in their house, sometimes there's a lot of internet connection problem. Okay, now I can request Dr. Shakila Bashir to introduce herself. Dr. Shakila, are you there? Dr. Shakila, I can't hear you and I can't see you. Okay, Dr. Ambar Asghar. Dr. Ambar, if you would please open your camera and talk to us. Dr. Ambar, I can't hear you either. Okay, Ms. Balika Yunus. Is there some problem with this, Dr. Vaseem? People are not responding to my, okay. Shakila has written that I'm unable to unmute. Okay, Dr. Shakila, you have to go to the bottom left of the screen. On your Zoom screen, go to the bottom left, you can see the sign. Stop video, or you can start the video, which means that we can see you, and also the mute and the unmute. But I think there's a problem. So what about Amber and Velika? Unable to unmute. Oh, well, Dr. Vaseem. Dr. Vaseem, there's some problem. Nobody is able to unmute. I think you have to look at, you're the host, right? So please see what's the problem.
Okay. Just a minute.
Please.
Okay.
All right, Dr. Shakila Bashir, can you unmute now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Shakila Bashir, Associate Professor from Foreman Christian College University. I don't know anything about it, Tidyverse.
No problem. We are delighted to have you, and inshallah it will be fine. And but you did not show us your, you did not open your camera, but that's okay, fine. We are comfortable with what you are comfortable with. You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, Dr. Ambar Asghar, your turn, please.
Madam, I'm hearing you. I'm
yes,
Dr. Ambar Asghar and working in Virtual University.
You are working in the Virtual University of Pakistan?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks. Okay, Balika, we can see you. Please, it's your turn now.
Dr. Salia, I'm working as visiting faculty in professional department, Lahore College for Women.
Okay, thank you very much for that. And
I'm
after
also
that,
a PhD education student.
Okay, that's great. So after this, we have, if I can go to the right side, who do I have here? Raza. Raza, would you please open your camera? Dr. Raza from Iran. Dr. Raza, please.
Hello, everybody. So it's our pleasure to meet you again for the second time. So I am Reza. I am from Iran, and I am assistant professor of statistics at the University of Tabriz.
Thank you. And we have also with us your wife, Minu. Would you like to also say something, please?
Okay, hello everybody. I'm in the 4th years of my PhD. I'm going to be defense my PhD in Iran.
Okay, that's great. Best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Next, we have Thomas Mavora from Kenya. Thomas, please, let's have a look at you. You need to, yeah, now we can see you better. Yes. Okay.
I'm Thomas Mawara. I teach statistics at Maseno University in Kenya. Kenya is a country in East Africa. So I'm on the western part of Kenya. I'm happy to be here today.
We are very happy to have you for the 3rd time, right? It's the 3rd time. That's great.
Yes,
that
it is.
Just great. You are our
Thank you.
Permanent participant, right?
Probably, I am a permanent one.
Thank you. That's great. That's great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now the next one, Dr. Hina Khan. Dr. Hina, can we talk to you? Yes.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Hina Khan, Associate Professor at GC University, Lahore. Madam, unfortunately, I have missed the second workshop.
We can do something about it, you see, because we are recording all this, so hopefully it will be fine. Thank you very much, Dr. Hina. And now we have, is this Dr. or Mr. Amjad Javed? Yes, Mr. Amjad Javed, please, can you be seen?
Yes, can you see me?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Actually, I'm more used to calling you Amjad Sandhu. Yes.
Right, ma'am. Thank you very much. This is Amjad Javed. I'm working as Deputy Director General at Pakistan Bureau of Statistics here in Pakistan. And I'm basically practitioner. I'm not teacher. So thank you very much for the invitation. This is my first workshop. I want to learn about this new idea.
Yeah, I'm very, very happy that you have joined, Mr. Amjad, because it's delightful to have people not only from the academia but also from the from the actual practitioners, and it's an honor for us to have you. It's really, really great. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Now the next one is Ms. Razia Noreen. Razia Noreen, could you please talk to us? Razia, if you would unmute your mic, that would be kind.
Assalamu alaikum, madam.
Wa alaikum salam. Please introduce.
I am Dr. Razia Noreen, working as principal in Government Girls High School, Pattoki District, Kasur. I am first time attending the workshop.
Well, thank you very much, Dr. Razia. It's the first time we are meeting, and that also we are doing virtually. But it's just great. It's great that we have a principal of the school also in our workshop. Thank you. We are honored. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Okay. All right. Thank you. And now who else do we have? Ms. Mehnaz. Ms. Mehnaz, it's your turn, please. Or am I right or wrong? Are you, is it now Dr. Mehnaz, or is your PhD completed?
No, yet.
Okay, but it's
No,
fine.
It's still,
so can you please
I'm Mahnaz Maktoum. Hello, I'm Mahnaz Maktoum, Associate Professor.
Yes, you are the
Associate Professor and Chairperson of Statistics Department at Lahore College for Women University.
Exactly.
And I'm thrilled to see.
This is.
And this is my first session. And this is my first session.
Right. Thank you very much, Ms. Mehnaz. Thanks a lot. As if I could hear her, but a little bit not so loudly.
Internet is
but
little unstable.
Yeah, it's okay. So I'm telling everyone again that she's the chairperson of the Department of Statistics at the Lahore College for Women University. All right, we have Dr. Najla now. Dr. Najla, we would like you to please introduce yourself to everybody. I cannot hear you, Dr. Najla. Yes? Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.